In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike for project management. Whether you're part of a dynamic team or managing projects on your own, Wrike offers a versatile set of tools to keep everything organized and efficient. To start, open your preferred browser and type Wrike into the search bar. It should be one of the first results that pop up. Once you reach the home page, you'll find options to either log in or try Wrike for free. If you're new to Wrike, clicking on the Try Wrike for free will guide you through the simple process of setting up your account. For those returning, just hit Log In with your credentials to get started. Now that you're in, it's time to set up your workspace. A great way to begin is by organizing your work into spaces. Spaces in Wrike act as broader categories that can represent teams or departments within your organization. Visualizing your work environment in this way helps maintain a clear structure across your operations. Within each space, create folders. These folders are crucial in further organizing your projects. By structuring your work into folders, you can efficiently manage multiple projects without them getting lost or mixed together. Each project can have its own dedicated folder where all relevant documents and tasks can be stored. When you're ready to kickstart a new project, you can do so within a folder. Wrike even offers pre-built templates for various project types, which can save you time and ensure your projects are set up with a solid foundation. Just click to create a new project and choose a template that aligns with your project needs. Once your project is in place, organizing it is as straightforward as dragging and dropping. Simply drag the project over the name of the target folder, project, or space where you want to move it. This intuitive process ensures that everything is exactly where it needs to be, keeping your workspace neat and accessible. The next phase involves planning your projects. Define tasks and subtasks to break down your project into manageable components. Assign owners to these tasks, set due dates, and add any necessary details. To enhance efficiency, you can even set dependencies to ensure that tasks are completed in the correct order. Collaboration is key to any successful project. Invite team members to join the project, communicate directly within tasks, and share files seamlessly. Wrike makes it easy for everyone to stay on the same page and work collaboratively towards your shared goals. Finally, track progress and manage workflows by utilizing the different views Wrike offers. Update task statuses as you go and create dashboards and reports to get a clear overview of how your project is advancing. This allows you to make data-driven decisions and keep everything moving smoothly. And that's a comprehensive look at how you can use Wrike for effective project management. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these insights help optimize your workflow with Wrike.